Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will see how can we use for loop in Python language. It is very easy and we can see it quite a times. So first of all, if why we use for loop, because if we want to print a large number of numbers like 100 numbers or 200 numbers or 1000 numbers, then you just have to use the for statement and you will write thousand of numbers in a single by using single code of line. But without loop or without for statement, without for loop, you cannot write, or if you write, then it will take a lot of steps to reach that destination. So what does it mean? I will tell you here. Like suppose, first of all, if I want to print 100 numbers, then I will say that for any variable which you want. Let's suppose for a in range, I want to print a, and the a is equals to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 100. So I will write the single line of code like that for a in range, and I will enter the range in parenthesis, which is 100, and then parenthesis close. Then this statement has been terminated for statement. Now what variable I have entered here? I have entered a, and what I want to use for statement and the print, and to print the number 100 till 100, starting from 0 till 100. So what does it mean here? That the number which is a has contains a list of numbers which contains 0 1 2 till 99 or 100. We will see it, what the concept behind it I will share here. So first of all, you should know how to use for statement. It is very basic and very easy. You just have to use for any variable you want in range and tell what range you want. So I want 100 numbers, so I have entered range 100. If you want more than 100, then you can write what's your range. Now if I want to see my output on the screen, I should have to print this. So I will write print what variable I have entered, a. So now let's run the code. So as you see that our number starts from 0, starting from 0. So starting from, if the number is starting from 0, the 100 number will be 99, because we have counted 0 as well, 0 at the first position. So if the first number is 0, then the last number will be 99, because 99 plus 0 will becomes 100. 99 plus 1, 99 plus 0, because 0 has been also entered, so 0 and the number 99, so it will altogether make 100. You can see it here like this. The end number is 99. Sir, what does it mean? Because we have entered 100, it means that the 100 which is entered is out of bound. We do not upper bound, which means we cannot use this 100. So the number is n minus 1. It means that 100 minus 1. So the number so the last number will be decided using this range. If you want to print 100 here, so you should have right here 101, because 101 minus 1 is 100, so it will print 100. Now what does it mean? Let's check here. Let's check here. So now I have entered the range which is 101. Let's see what happened with the range. It should have print 0 to 100. So you can see it here that when I entered the range 101, so it has printed 100 numbers. It means that this number, this range does not include in the print statement. It is out of bound. So any number which you have entered here, the previous number will be printed, but the last number you have entered does not print it here, because we have also counted 0. Since we have counted 0, after 0 the 99 numbers, 0 plus 99 will become 100 numbers. So this is the reason it has printed 100 values. Now it is very basic, easy concept. I hope you are very clear with it. Now, what is the practical implementation of this for loop? Let's see it here. First of all, what should I want? I want to, let's suppose we have a number of magicians like Paul, Smith, or any other magicians you want, and the the third magician is the winner. So what do you want? You want to write a code by using four statement in which the first two members who are the participants, you will write you are the good participant, and the winner you should have write you are the winner. So what does it mean? What I want to tell you, let's suppose, first of all, suppose magicians, list of magicians. So first of all, we have entered the list of magicians, which is, because a list should contain the string values, so the names are Peter, Smith, Paul. So these are the magicians. Now what do you want? You want to write the code for this magicians is the list. It is one magician, it is the second magician, and he is the third magician. So there are three magicians, so I will write here for magician in magicians. This is the method how you can write the for statement. So this is the plural magicians, and the singular are magicians. So what I have written, for each of the magician in magicians, I want to explore each and every element of the list, so I have write singular in the list of plurals. What does it mean? For every individual magician in magicians, if magician is equals to what? If magician is Smith, it means that when the loops comes to magician, then you should have write print you are the winner. Else, if the loop does not makes up to Smith, then write print good try. What does this code means actually? It means that there is a list of magicians in which there are three magicians. We will access each of the magician in for loop like for magician, each of the magician like Peter, Smith, and Paul in magicians, in the list of magicians, for magician in the list of magicians. If if when the loop comes true, if my magician, if the loop comes to the Smith, first of all the loop starts from Peter. It check if Peter is equal, if magician is equals to Smith, no, this time magician is equals to Peter, so it will write good try, because it does not comes to the if statement, it will directly goes to the else statement, because the magician is not Smith. Now if the magician is Paul, if magician is equals to Smith, is it Smith? No, it's Paul. So it should not write you are the winner, because the only winner is Smith, so it will write here else print good try. Now if the magician is Smith, then if it comes to the statement if magician is equals to Smith, it means that if the magician is Smith, if the loop ends at if the magician is Smith, then it will write you are the winner. Otherwise, any of the other magicians present, approx 100 1000 magicians, if the magician is not Smith at the time of running of the code, then it will print good try. If the statement, if my loops comes to the point where magician is Smith, then it will surely write you are the winner. I hope you are very clear with it. How to use four statements in the Python language. It is very easy and you can use it so many times. Let's run the code. Okay, the mistake is I haven't entered I here. Magician. So as you see that first my name, first the name is Peter. So is it magician equals to Smith? No. The third one, the second one is Smith. If the magician is equals to Smith, yes, it has. So it has print. You are the winner. Now the third one is Paul. If the magician equals to Smith, no. The magician equals to Paul. So it will print. It will come. It will reduce from if to else. Now it will print good try. 4. If the statement is not correct, it means that if my magician is not equals to Smith, then it will write good try. But if the magician is actually Smith, then it will write you are the winner. In this method we can use for loop in the Python language. I hope you are very clear with it.